The 25-year-old woman who was listed as the consignee for the massive shipment of guns and ammunition intercepted in Miami last month was taken into custody a short while ago on suspicion of importation of firearm and ammunition. She was questioned on Monday by detectives from the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC. This was disclosed by her attorney, Oswes Senior Smith.
Earlier today, my client was required to, by the CTOC police members, to report to their offices on Orange Street. Earlier today at 9 o'clock, we were there for some hours until an interview process got underway somewhere around 1 o'clock, and she was asked a number of questions to which she gave answers. As I understand it, she is to be further interviewed. We have not at this time been told when that further interview is to be conducted.
Mr. Smith contends his client had no knowledge of the arms shipment, which was disguised in several barrels as food and household items.
My client is concerned. My instructions are that she is entirely unaware of the subject of these investigations.
119 illegal guns, including 2 rifles and more than 200 rounds of ammunition, were intercepted by the U.S. Border Protection agents at the Miami International Airport last month. The shipment was destined for Montego Bay, St. James.